Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need softened butter, both granulated and brown sugars, and 2 large eggs. Also, prepare vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, and old-fashioned rolled oats. Don't forget baking soda, salt, and plenty of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Having everything measured and ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for delicious success. Now, let's mix our dough for those perfect cookies. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the brown and granulated sugars until light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently fold in the 3 cups of oats and 2 cups of chocolate chips. Avoid overmixing for tender cookies. It's time to bake your delicious cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto parchment-lined baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the edges are golden brown, but the centers still look slightly soft. This ensures a wonderfully chewy texture. Remember, they will continue to set as they cool, so avoid overbaking. Your amazing oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are almost ready to enjoy. Once out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows them to set properly, preventing them from breaking apart when moved. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Store any leftover cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, ensuring continued freshness and deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.